Welcome back to the latest episode of How the Data World Turns. I'm your host, David Jackson, and today we're going to continue to look at the causes of death, number of deaths caused by various diseases in the U.S. in the 20th century. Okay, so let's come over. First of all, let's just check our table of contents. See where we're at. So we're down to kidney infections. Okay, good. Very good. Now, as I said before, as a minor reminder, I believe this means the percent of all the deaths in total deaths in this list. Okay, while the death rate is the percentage of people who die from kidney disease. Okay, let's just do Control Shift. Let's open up another thing over here. One of the nice things about this K-console is that when you split the screen, it opens the screen up in the same directory as the main screen. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do star.gp. Let's do Emacs line plot. Yes, you read correctly. I am in fact using GNU. I am in fact using GNU. I'm using gnuplot, and I'm using Emacs, of course. Oh, did we already do kidney infections? And I just forgot to mark it off. Let's see over here. What were we looking at over here? What was this looking at? I don't remember what this one was. This may have been a detour. Monkeypox cases. Okay. We'll come back to monkeypox cases about the first week in September because I believe the numbers are only updated once a month. Yeah. Images. Do we have kidney here? Okay, let's take a quick look over here. Because you see it's marked as kidney infection death. But I can't tell if we've actually done it before. Unless there's something in here. Oh, we do have a kidney infection, don't we? Okay. So I must have posted that one then. Let's look at LinkedIn. Maybe even look at X. Elon Musk, buddy. Elon Musk. Okay. That crazy Elon Musk, you know? I don't know what to do with that guy. Let's take a post. Did I post the kidney disease? Now it's interesting, I tried to do a live stream from this laptop. For whatever reason, it didn't like it. It said it wasn't connected for some odd reason. I'm just checking to see if I did in fact post the kidney disease. And this certainly has taken a long time to pop up here, isn't it? Well, I'm just going to assume we did because it is, okay, because it is, so after kidney disease, we got liver disease, liver disease deaths, okay? Just come back over here, change this. Let's come back up here for, let's just, as we always do. You know, once you use, once you use, you know, gnuplot a couple times, it does begin to get a little easier. Now there are certain tweaks you have to make, for instance, in order to do an actual time, a good time series plot. Okay. We can come down here. Which one is currently open? Well, let's take a look at this first. What this does, this is actually creating a line and a dot plot. What's it called? What's what I'm looking for here? A line and a scatter point. I might say it's creating a line and a scatter point. It's plotting a line on top of the points, okay? Okay. So let's see if this will work. We'll come up here, of course. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Okay, so that's not too bad, is it? Now we could put the date except for the fact that We could also do a filled plot, or an area plot, as you may want to call it. Let's see if it actually created this over here. There's kidney infections. I think we already did kidney infections, didn't we? Okay, so let's come back up here now. DB. This should leave us one plot. Again. So we'll just stay with that. It's interesting that you wonder why U.S. liver deaths, disease deaths, peaked in 1975, and why did he start to decline after that? That's kind of curious. Okay, so let's come back over here. Come back over here. Did I spell percentage right? Percentage. Percent. So let's change this to red. You know, varieties of spice of life. So let's just reverse the colors for the for the That's sort of interesting. Maybe I didn't actually, well, I did run it, didn't I? There isn't a reason why this shouldn't work, is there? Maybe it's not called death rates. Let's see over here. No, it's called death rates. Let's do this. Oh, you know what the trouble is? I didn't change the name. Oh, no. Let's see what the death rate looks like. So again, the death rate peaked about Okay, very good. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Come back over here. So once again, we're going to make this blue. So is it that there's some great Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, so let's do this. XC, let's do VIMTOC. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so what do we got here? About 20 minutes. You know what? Let's go ahead and call this a wrap. All right. Again, this was the episode of How the Data World Turns. In this case, we just finished analyzing live plots using gnuplot, analyzing the number of deaths related to liver disease. Okay.